The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, until 5:00 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Coal Valley, or over Moline, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado in ping-pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Moline, East Moline, Silvis, Colina, Coal Valley, Hampton, Port Byron, Rapid City, Cleveland, and Osborne around 4:25 p.m. Shady Beach and Jocelyn around 4:30 p.m. Geneseo and Hillsdale around 4:35 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 12. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 280 near mile marker 18. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. & tornado. Radar indicated, max hail size 1.50 in. Beep, 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 beep.